Welcome to the quick demo of the FFT chart for AVEVA PI Vision. If you are monitoring rotating machinery, pumps, or motors, you know how critical vibration analysis is. This symbol allows you to transform standard high-frequency time series data from your PI system directly into the frequency domain, enabling you to detect early-stage machine faults natively on your PI Vision dashboard. Let's build a display. I'll start by dragging the FFT chart symbol from the palette onto the canvas. Next, I'll grab a few high-frequency vibration sensors from the data pane. Let's pull in the inboard and outboard radial vibration tags and just drop them onto the chart. Immediately, the symbol processes the time series data and plots the frequency spectrum. Right away, we can interact with the chart. In the top right corner, we have the Quick Settings gear icon. This menu is designed for rapid, on-the-fly analysis without having to open the full configuration pane. For example, mechanical faults often produce harmonics with very low amplitudes compared to the main running speed. By opening Quick Settings and switching the y-axis from a linear to a logarithmic scale, those tiny early warning signals suddenly become visible alongside the dominant peaks. From this menu, we can also instantly change the x-axis from hertz to duration to analyze slow-moving structural resonance, or we can change the trace layout. By selecting Separate, the chart splits into neatly stacked horizontal lanes. This allows us to compare our inboard and outboard sensors clearly without smaller signals being overshadowed by larger ones. Now let's dive into the core signal processing. By right-clicking and opening the main configuration pane, we can access the data and spectrum settings. Here, we can increase the max samples to get a much higher frequency resolution, making our peaks sharper and more distinct. Raw FFT data can sometimes be noisy, making it hard to confidently spot structural faults. Under the Spectrum tab, we can enable Welch's averaging method. This breaks the data into overlapping segments and averages them, suppressing random background noise so the true mechanical frequencies stand out. While we're here, I'll turn on Auto Peak Detection and set it to show the top 3 peaks. Now, the chart automatically drops markers on the highest amplitudes, saving us from having to manually hunt for exact frequency values with our mouse. Finally, let's look at fault overlays, which is an incredible tool for instant root cause analysis. Let's say we are monitoring this motor and want to watch out for a specific bearing defect. Under the Fault Overlays section, we can click Add Overlay, give it a custom label like BPFO, assign it a distinct color, and enter the known fault frequency in hertz. The chart drops a vertical reference line directly onto the spectrum. If a live peak ever intersects this line, you have instantly identified the mechanical fault. And that's a quick look at the FFT chart. You no longer need to export raw data to complex external vibration software to understand your machine health. You get advanced signal processing, interactive diagnostics, and clear visual reporting, all inside AVEVA PI Vision. Thanks for watching.